Okay. Now for sounds on and sounds off with chat, if the sound is on, then it's going to ding when somebody sends you a message. That way if you're away from your computer or you're in another window, you're going to hear that that's going on. In emoticons is when you type a smiley face, it sends it as a smiley face instead of the, colon parenthesis. So whenever you make changes on this page, make sure that you hit Save Changes. Let's go into Labs. Okay. Now there are a lot of interesting labs that Google's enabled, and they're always, they have their 20% time where they're playing with things and, trying to figure out new things. So you can come through and just look through these, read about them, and decide what you like. The Google Calendar gadget can be enabled or disabled. Undo send, this is where I turned that one on to enable so that I can undo the message if I forgot to attach it or wanted to say one more thing or something like that. There's a authentication icon. There's a lot of things that you should just probably come and look and see if it's something like it sounds like you would want. And, ooh, I want that one. I use Google Voice and I don't listen to the messages in mail, so I'm going to enable that. Okay. Mark as red button. Ooh, I like that one. Multiple inboxes. I'm not going to do that. There's more in here than the last time I was here. Smart labels. I mean, you can play with a lot of these. If you're an advanced user or you're interested in some of these, definitely. Ooh, save changes. Okay, interesting. Then offline, I wouldn't. I haven't used this at this point. I'm always online, and I just use Gmail online on my phone, on my iPad, on my computer. I don't actually use and handle my messages offline. And then themes, this is where you can change the look of your background in Gmail. I chose the ocean one. It looks like this in the daytime, and it looks like this other little picture at night. So you can play with your themes and make it a little more fun. So those are all of the different settings. I highly recommend that you just kind of look through each tab and find out what applies to you and see if there's anything that you can customize to make your Gmail experience a little more efficient.